Well, hey, it's Chase, and I'm excited that you're wanting to join Cloud Token, and I highly recommend this. But there on this page, there is some very important steps. First of all, you're going to see this video, and it is a full walkthrough of going through the setup and the installation of the app. It's quite good, but if you have any questions whatsoever, please stop, get a hold of your sponsor or myself, Chase Swift, and I'll be glad to help you with that. In fact, I can even create an account for you with all the information done for you so you don't have to worry about it, okay? So with that said, I want you to really prepare ahead of time if you are going to move forward. And it's not hard, but I just want to emphasize the importance of clicking the link below and printing out the joining document that's this link right here. So the two things that are most important really to get started is coming up with a login pin. It's going to be 8 characters or more, okay? And it needs to be a combination of letters and numbers as well as an uppercase letter, okay? So I have a document here. You can just write that in, okay? The second thing you need to come up with ahead of time is a payment pin. It needs to be 6 digits, which are all numbers, okay? So I have a space for you to hit to print this out and then type it in or print it in, write it in, okay? The next thing you will be prompted when you join is a mnemonic phrase. This is your ultimate backup. You must have this. It is so important, and you're going to want to write it down. You do not want to just store it on your computer, because computers, whatever, files get lost or deleted, whatever. Something could happen. You want to write it down, and you might have it in a couple of places. You might have it with a spouse, with a daughter, with a parent, with a relative, with a good friend that realizes the importance of this entire document, which is your login information and your backup information. So it's going to generate 12 words. These 12 words would be written in here, and they're simple words, but you have got to write them down. You cannot remember them. It's only going to be generated one time. So you only get one time to write this out, and that's why I have spaces for 12 words, okay? This is your backup phrase in case your phone is lost or anything else happens, or God forbid you should become injured or killed. In the worst case, of course, somebody will have to get into your cloud account. The mnemonic phrase is how to do that. It allows anybody to get into your Cloud Token wallet, okay, without the login pin and without the payment pin, actually. But so that's what you just write all this stuff down. I just want to emphasize the importance. Now, the Cloud Token will generate a login ID. This is a 16-digit number, and it's going to be linked. It's going to be your debit card number in the future. So you're going to have room for 16 numbers. You can just type those out right here or print them out when you print out this document. And then the last thing is you get a 10-digit referral code because you'll probably want to share this with somebody else. So you have a spot for there. Then there is also an additional step for Google Authenticator to secure. Actually, it's additional security for your withdrawals so that no one can take any money out of your app without Google Authenticator proving that you are who you are. That's really what it is. There's a video here to see the video and understand it. If you don't understand it, please get a hold of me. I can help you with that, or get a hold of your sponsor, okay? So if you need to share this document with somebody else, the link is right down here, okay? So this is the very important steps that you need to do ahead of time when you're joining Cloud Token Wallet. Then on this page, after you printed this out and typed out, everything's good, you've saved it, while you're joining, and also ahead of time when you're doing the login pin and your payment pin. You can do that ahead of time, okay? And then you're going to install the app. You just click down here on your phone. So you're going to want to load this page on your phone, or go to www.cloudtokenwallet.com. Click here or tap on your phone, and you'll be taken to the website, cloudtokenwallet.com. For Apple devices, you'll just tap on iOS. For Android devices, you can just go to Android. You can also use a Google Play link if you have an Android. I'm a iPhone user, so I just use iOS. I would recommend, if you're Android, just tap on Android here. There's additional tutorials. Sorry, they're okay. They're good, but you might find better information on my page here, where somebody has gone through and actually shown you, and they're talking to through this. Okay, so that's the process to join Cloud Token. If you have any doubts or just frustrations or anything, just let me help you, and I can create your app, your login and all that, and save all the important data. Okay, I can save this all for you, and I can print it for you and mail it to you, or send it via email to you. I always wanted to have it printed. You can have several people store it for you. It's that important. This is your bank, and it's going to have a lot of money in it. A lot of Cloud Token, which is really money. It's going to have a lot in there. Trust me. And you have a lot of cryptocurrency as well, even if it's only $1,000. Okay. So please do not take this lightly. This is crucial information. Please write it down, as I've said here, and then store it as needed in multiple locations printed out. It's that important. I don't want you to get locked out of your app. It is literally impossible to get in if you don't have your login PIN written down. If you forget that, or something happens to you, and if you don't have your payment PIN, no one can get any money out. Okay, it's purposely prevented so that no one can get into your app and take your money. Okay, and then the mnemonic phrase it'll allow anybody to get into your account. So if you get killed or pass away, whatever, that's the worst case scenario. But those 12 words allow anybody to get into your account. And then that's great, because you're going to have money there, and you leave it to your heirs, to your loved ones, all that. Okay, this is very important. And your login ID is also important. We can retrieve that, but you got to have your mnemonic phrase written down. This is the key. If you don't have that, it's going to be impossible. Okay, because you're going to have 12 words that you cannot guess. You're not going to remember them. If you don't have them written down, you can't remember 12 words in order. It has to be in order. Okay, so I'm just doing this video as an extra precaution. If you do not fully understand how to join, please get with me or the person that referred you. We'll set up the whole account for you. We'll send everything to you, and then you can rest assured everything's done right. I'm glad to do that. I really am. Take me about 3 minutes, and I'll have everything done. It'll be done right. It'll be safe. It'll be protected. We'll have it written down. We'll send that to you. All of that can be done. If you have any challenges, please let us know. If you're good on the computer, this is great. This is going to be easy. It's going to be fun. But I want you to take the time to print out everything. And this is this document. You can go right up to this icon and print this document, and it'll connect to your printer, and you can print this out. Okay, so it's only 2 pages. It's very important, 2 pages though. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thanks for joining Cloud Token. You're going to love it, but we're going to have you so well protected and secured, and everything recorded and written down, that you're not going to lose anything. Okay, and I don't want you frustrated. It will be beyond frustrating if you lose any of this information. So take your time, and just if you have any questions, get with me or your sponsor in Cloud Token. We'd be glad to help you. This is not an exercise in frustration. It's an exercise in making 10% a month on average from an app that you put on your phone. It's so simple, and it's just incredible technology that you want to take advantage of, and we just want to make sure you do it the right way. Thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy Cloud Token. You deserve it, and you do deserve to share it with others too. They deserve this too, and we'll be glad to help them get going too. This is Chase Swift. Have a fantastic day. So glad you're joining the Cloud Token team with me, and I'll do everything in my power to make this the most incredible journey you've ever been on. This is Chase Swift. Have a great day. Bye for now.